Ever notice how some days everything just clicks, you're focused, energized and productive, and other days feel like you're running on empty? It's not a coincidence, it all starts with how you begin your day. A powerful morning routine isn't just for CEOs or wellness gurus. It's a science-backed habit that can transform your physical health, mental clarity, and long-term success. Let's dive into how a purposeful morning routine rooted in mindfulness, movement, nutrition, and personal growth can set you up for an energized, balanced, and productive day. Number 1. Start with mindfulness. Set a positive tone for the day. The first few moments after waking up are golden. Instead of reaching for your phone or diving into a mental to-do list, take a moment to simply be. These early minutes are a chance to shape your mindset for the entire day. Practicing mindfulness in the morning can be as simple as 5 minutes of deep breathing, meditation, or quiet reflection. A popular technique is the 4x4x4 breath. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4. This simple rhythm can ease anxiety, sharpen focus, and help you enter your day with calm and intention. Want to go one step further? Start a gratitude ritual. List 3 things you're thankful for, even small things like a good night's sleep or your morning coffee. This trains your brain to focus on positivity and abundance. Number 2. Move your body. Wake up your muscles and mind. After hours of stillness during sleep, your body craves movement. Morning exercise boosts circulation, wakes up your brain, and releases endorphins, the feel-good chemicals that naturally elevate your mood. But here's the key, you don't need to go all out. A 15 to 20-minute walk, gentle yoga session, or even a dance party in your kitchen can do wonders. Stretching is especially helpful. It increases flexibility, reduces stiffness, and signals to your body that it's time to wake up. If you enjoy more intensity, go for a jog or a quick HIIT session. Not only will this jumpstart your metabolism, but it also sets a tone of productivity and accomplishment before the day even begins. Number 3. Fuel your body right. Prioritize a nutritious breakfast. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. The right food in the morning helps regulate your blood sugar, supports cognitive function, and keeps hunger and cravings at bay. Aim for a balanced mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Think eggs with avocado and whole grain toast, Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds, or a green smoothie loaded with spinach, banana, and almond butter. Avoid sugary cereals and pastries. While they might provide a quick energy hit, you'll likely crash a few hours later. And don't forget to hydrate. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. A tall glass of water with lemon, if you like, first thing in the morning reboots your metabolism and aids digestion. Number 4. Get organized. Set your intentions for the day. Now that your body and mind are in sync, it's time to set the direction. A morning planning ritual helps you stay focused, efficient, and less reactive as the day unfolds. Spend a few minutes reviewing your schedule and identifying your top 3 priorities. What must get done today for the day to feel successful? Write it down, visualize your ideal outcome. This tiny habit creates clarity and keeps you grounded when distractions inevitably show up. Journaling is also a powerful tool. You don't need pages, just a few lines to reflect, release stress, or jot down your goals and affirmations. Even one powerful affirmation like "I'm focused, capable, and calm today" can help set your internal tone. Number 5. Create space for personal growth. Do something that fills your cup. One of the best kept secrets of a fulfilling morning routine, making space for you. Not your boss, not your kids, just your own personal growth with joy. Whether it's reading 5 pages of a book, listening to a podcast, sketching, journaling, or practicing a new language, devoting even 10 minutes to personal development helps you start the day feeling aligned and empowered. This kind of time reminds you that your day isn't just about checking boxes, it's about becoming the person you want to be. Here's the truth. A great morning routine doesn't need to be rigid or complicated, it just needs to be intentional. Choose a few practices that energize you, ground you, and connect you to your purpose. So tomorrow morning, instead of hitting snooze or scrolling your phone, try this instead. Pause, breathe, move and nourish. Plan, grow. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.